Welcome to our channel. As the festive season approaches, it's time to transform your home into a warm and magical Christmas wonderland. In today's video, we're excited to share some beautiful and modern Christmas decor ideas that will elevate your holiday spirit. Whether you prefer a cozy traditional look or a sleek contemporary vibe, we've got something for every style. From elegant tree decorations to stunning mantelpiece arrangements, these ideas will add a festive charm to every corner of your home. So, grab your favorite holiday drink, sit back, and let's get inspired with creative ways to make your space sparkle this Christmas. Now let's dive into some wonderful Christmas decor ideas that will truly bring the holiday spirit to life. Start with your Christmas tree. It's the focal point of any festive home. Choose a theme that complements your style, whether it's a classic red and gold or a sleek, modern look with silver and white. Next, pay attention to your mantelpiece. Adding garlands, candles, and stockings creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Don't forget your dining table. Use festive runners, elegant place settings, and small centerpieces like candles or pine cones to set the mood for holiday dinners. Finally, adding small touches like wreaths, fairy lights, and holiday-themed cushions can brighten up every room in your home. These simple yet elegant ideas can transform your space into a Christmas wonderland that feels both stylish and full of holiday cheer. Thank you for watching. We hope these Christmas decor ideas inspire you to create a festive and beautiful space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our channel for more holiday inspiration and home design tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content and happy decorating.